arc, arc. Buzz, buzz. Growl, growl. Roar, roar. Scream, scream. Splash, splash.
Tweet, tweet.
Whistle, whistle.
Bark of a dog to make an loud and rough noise. The dog next door was barking all night. Buzz, the sound an insect makes when it flies. A mosquito was buzzing around me all night. Growl of a dog, bear, or big cat to make a low, intimidating sound. The dog growled behind the door. Roar to make a loud, deep sound. Lions and bears roar. Scream to cry out with a loud, high sound. Natasha screamed when she saw a mouse. Splash to make liquid fall or hit something. Charlotte splashed paint on the floor. Tweet to make a short, high sound. A bird was tweeting in the tree outside when I woke up this morning. Whistle to make a noise by pushing air through your lips. I whistled and my dog came running.